Here we have a problem in algebra 2, that is show that 2a is a root of this cubic equation x cube positive 4 negative a times x square negative 2 times 2a positive a square times x equals to 8a square. Okay, so we have to prove this 2a is one of the roots of this cubic equation. So for that, first what we have to do is we have to write this cubic equation standard form. What is standard form? So usually when I write an equation standard form, we'll have all the terms on one side of the equation, on the other side of the equation, so we'll have 0. But here on the right side of the equation we have 8a square. So when I get rid of this 8a square, then we'll have 0 on the right side of the equation. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 8a square from both sides of this equation. So when I do so, this positive 8a square and 8a square will cancel. Then the resulting equation will be x cube positive 4 negative a times x square negative 2 times 2a positive a square times x negative 8a square. On the right side, this one will cancel, get 0. Now this equation is in standard form because the exponents are in descending order, that is from greatest to least, 3, 2, 1 and the constant term. Okay, now we got the equation standard form. So to show that 2a is a root for this equation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a synthetic division. So let me write over here in synthetic division. Inside the division, we have to write the coefficients of the terms over here. The coefficient of x cube is just 1 that we can write over here. The coefficient of x square is 4 negative a. Let me write it. And the coefficient of x is negative 2 times 2a positive a square. And the constant term is negative 8a square. Okay, now what we can do is we can write this 1 over here. And since 2a is root for the given equation, we can write the 2a over here. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to multiply this 2a by this one. 1 times 2a is 2a. So now I have to combine them. So when I combine them, 4 negative a positive 2a, I am getting 4 positive a. Okay, I just combined 4 negative a and 2a. Now what I have to do is I have to multiply this 2a and 4 positive a. When I multiply them, I am getting 2a times 4 positive a. The result has to be written over here. Now I have to combine this one and this one. Let me do that separately. So already we have negative 2 times 2a positive a square. And here we have positive 2a times 4 positive a. Then we get, when I distribute this negative sign, negative to this 2a, I'm getting negative 4a. When I distribute this negative 2 to this a square, I'm getting negative 2a square. Now positive 2a is distributed to 4, then we get positive 8a. When I distribute this positive 2a to this a, I'm getting positive 2a square. So here negative 2a square, positive 2a square will become 0. When I combine negative 4a and positive 8a, I'm getting positive 4a. Okay, so when I combine these two terms, I'm getting positive 4a. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to multiply this positive 4a and 2a. The result has to be written over here. So when I multiply 4a and 2a, I'm getting 8a square. So negative 8a square, positive 8a square. When I combine them, I'll be getting 0. Okay, so here I'm getting the remainder 0. Since I'm getting the remainder 0, so we can say that 2a is one of the roots of the given cubic equation. And here we may have a question. What if I don't get 0 over here? So we have to say 2a is not a root for the given equation. So in synthetic division, we write some value over here. So when we get 0 at last, we can say the value what I have written over here is a root for the given equation. Now we have shown that 2a is one of the roots of the given cubic equation.